How does that feel?
Yeah, feels okay.
Welcome to my channel, everyone. This is my mom, Danielle. We are doing a beginner senior bounce. It is approximately 15 minutes in length, low intensity. Danielle, mom, is on the Kenson mini trampoline with her U-bar here. I'm on the leaps and rebounds. It does have a T-bar that you can purchase separately. This one is just removed. These are adjustable, and the Kenson does have little suction cups on it for extra stability. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's get warmed up.
Let's do it.
All right, so we're gonna get started here in an athletic stance. Our feet are gonna be hip width apart, slight bend in our knees. Our core is gonna be tight. We're gonna have a proud chest, and our shoulders are backing down away from our ears. And we're gonna start with a basic bounce. So our feet are flat, pushing down into the mat evenly. We're not on the sides of our feet, on our heels or forward. Try and push evenly, distributing your weight between each foot, holding onto your stability bar if need be. We're going to keep doing another round here. We're just acclimating our body to being on an unsteady surface. How does it feel?
Oh, fine. Yeah. I have a little kink in my hip here, though.
All right, we'll just take it easy there.
Okay.
The health bounce is promoting circulation, which is a good thing I know that you're a good proponent on. Keeping the body in circulation. Don't hold your breath. In 3, 2, 1, we're going to start into a slight march in place. If that feels comfortable to you. Yeah, you can do that without the bounce. You can incorporate a bounce if need be. Or you're where Danielle is, you're here marching in place. You're still on an unsteady surface and you're still getting the benefits of being on an unsteady surface.
Yeah, I can feel it in the breath.
Already, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't forget about that core. So we're going to go into an out, out, in march. Out, out, in. Working on different planes of motion with or without the bounce. You don't need the bounce. You're challenging your small muscles, your equilibrium, proprioception. Everything's being challenged here. So if you weren't holding on to the stability bar, you could use the active upper body a little bit more. And let's go back into a health bounce here. It's nice having the stability bar, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Especially at my age.
Oh, we forgot to mention your age. Should we say?
Oh, yes.
My mother's just turned 80.
Well, in May.
That's pretty just. So, steady your feet a little bit here for me. And if you're able to, let's just do a gentle front kick. How does that feel?
Yep. It actually helps get rid of some of the pressure from the bouncing.
Oh, okay. So if you're able to, you can incorporate a smaller bounce here. So you like that move so far?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna now go into some tapbacks. So we're just working on a different plane of motion here. Marching in place or tapbacks with a bounce. Tap back, tap back. Your pace. If a move for whatever reason doesn't work for you, go back to a march in place in its place. Breathe. Let's do another house bounce here. We're flushing out the lymphatic system. It's good for the digestive system. How does the chest feel now?
Good.
Acclimated?
Yeah.
A little bit more, okay. Slight bend in the knees, perfect. We're gonna do front heel digs, alternating heel digs. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just flex the foot, perfect. Alternating heel digs. Don't forget about that core. Your core is not just your six-pack, your core is wrapped around the entire body. It helps to protect your lower back. It helps keep the body straight and firm. Let's do our health bounce here. Breathe. You have a mini trampoline at home that's spring-loaded, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you feel on the bungee?
Good.
Does it feel firm or is it?
No, it's nice and firm.
Nice and firm. Let's bring it now to march in place. Lifting and lowering that foot completely off the mat. Round 11. I'm breaking a sweat.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh.
March, march, march. Of course, we are under these lights as well.
Yes. Nice setup.
Oh, thank you. Tap outs like we did. Let's do tap outs. Tap, tap, tap. Trying to keep things simple and easy to follow. No difficult choreography here. Some people have such incredibly difficult choreography, it's so hard to keep up.
That's what somebody said on your site, right? That appreciated that you were just focused on.
Let's have a wider stomp march. A little bit wider than hip width apart.
Just focus on the trampoline without all that fussy stuff.
Yeah.
That's good.
Wider stomp.
I like this one. This is really nice.
Yeah, the Kenson is a very nice bounce. March, 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 and house bounce in the center here. We're just about halfway.
Oh, halfway
already.
I thought we were almost finished.
We can make it a smaller workout if you like.
Okay.
And it's good for the body. Keep the body moving. Let's do those kicks again since you like them so much. Front kick, front kick, front. With or without the bounce. So you did need workout clothes.
Yeah.
So we're doing front kicks. Now we're going to transition slowly into butt kickers coming up in 3, 2, 1. Steady the feet. So we're just rocking side to side, kicking our butt kickers.
Okay.
Transferring the weight from side to side. It is challenging. You're balancing on one leg. 3, 2, 1. Just give me a gentle march here. March, march, march. Don't forget about that core. So we're gonna listen to our body today. Mom's feeling like that's enough.
Yeah.
So we're gonna listen to that.
Thank you.
We're gonna carefully and slowly start bringing the heart rate back down a little bit with a gentle march in place here. Deep breath in. Exhale. Very nice. One more in. Exhale, and now very baby health bounce, just gentle. Let's bring the heart rate down. Let's carefully get our breathing back under control before we step off our rebounder. We don't want to do that at all, especially if we're out of breath, dizzy, or anything like that. You're staying here, doing a very baby health bounce until you are ready to step off. That's another benefit of having your stability bar T-bar, is that you can hold on to it and carefully transition from your mat onto a hard surface. So why don't you go ahead and do that if you feel like you're ready.
Okay.
And
Oh,
tell
it
me-
does help a lot.
How do you feel?
Good.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah, very nice. Thank you.
All right, high five.
High five.
I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. All those things help my channel get picked up by the algorithm, shown to more people, so they too can click play and do free workouts from home. So thank you, Mom. Where'd she go? She disappeared.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye for now.